How to add Square Payment to website. To add a Square Payment link buy button to your website, follow these steps. Go to your online Square dashboard and navigate to Payment Links. Click on Add Button to Website. Customize your buy button by adding a title, button text, amount, and adjusting the payment frequency. Optionally, add an image and adjust advanced settings if needed. Continue to customize your buy button styles, such as font, color, and shape. Copy the HTML code provided. Paste the HTML code onto your website where you want the buy button to appear. To manage settings for your buy buttons, go to Settings. Branding in your Square dashboard. Choose your button font, color, shape, and toggle button style settings. Save your settings. Embedded buy buttons are compatible with WordPress.org, Squarespace, and Wix websites. Follow platform-specific instructions for embedding on these platforms. Test the buy button on your website to ensure it loads correctly and redirects customers to the Square checkout page for payment. That's it. Thanks for watching.